Stevenson Ranch, California. We just wrapped up this job here, and we did all of the flooring for them. We restored the whole entire floor, and there were some challenges here because we had this pool coping that we just did, and the contractor that was on the job didn't come through for my friend here, and so what we did is we just finished this whole entire pool deck. We engraved it, we color stained it, and then April, a special customer requested a medallion. So this is the medallion that we provided for her, and let's get her opinion on what she thinks of the overall work. So April, how you doing?
I'm great.
So what do you think of the job we're completed?
This is so exciting. It's amazing. It's gorgeous, and it's more amazing than I ever imagined it could be.
Awesome, praise God. Well,
Yeah.
it was, what we took over from and where it's at now. I think we did it in 3 weeks tops.
Yes.
But you have your whole new pool deck that's been restored. We did a bunch of add-ons and we decorated it all, and this will happen for years to come. And I hope your family and everyone that comes enjoys it, and hopefully the referrals will come from it as well. So praise God. So thank you so much for your time
Thank
and
you.
allowing me to do your work.
Thank you.
All right, girl. I love you. God bless you. And
Love you too. We appreciate you.
thank you so much.